What is back, guys? Back with another video on the same day. My brother's here, but it's not all about like the battle pass and stuff. It's not all about spins. It's just how you play. If you didn't know, let's do some team. Oh, so cool. Yeah, so let's do some team. Stop, Elijah. That's my brother. And if you don't know him, subscribe to his channel. Say what your name is, because I don't know how to say it.
It says Shrouded Citadel.
Shrouded Citadel?
Yeah, and then it's Robson.
It's Shrouded Citadel Robson. But remember to subscribe.
If you have Twitch, download Twitch. Look up Shrouded Citadel. No, not Robson. Don't put Robson if you're on Twitch. Just put Shrouded Citadel. Look at my gameplays. It's pretty cool, and you might like some of it.
And make sure to tell your friends all about the new. And this is a new channel. Make sure to tell your friends about mine and my brother's username. And
mine is not new. Mine's old.
Yeah.
I haven't just recorded videos.
And shout out to Typical Gamer. And shout out to my brother's account. And shout out to what's the one? Samara Redway. Typical Gamer's girlfriend. And Jarvis. Because I like his playing crush features. And he plays Fortnite. And he does challenges.